Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to send gifts on Steam. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the store, the library, we have the community and your profile. We also have this bar here where you have your store, new and net-worthy categories, and the search bar here, as you can see. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and send gifts on Steam. So launch the Steam client on your computer or go to the Steam website and log into your account. Then navigate to the game you want to gift and click on Add to Cart. So basically, when you go, for instance, from some categories, click on, for instance, your puzzle, and then find the game, let's say this one. After that, you just need to go and click Add to Cart to add it to your cart. Click on View Cart and select Purchase as a Gift. So then you just need to go to your cart and go and select Purchase as a Gift. Choose the friend you want to send a gift from your friend list. You can schedule a delivery date with a personal message and even a sentiment and your signature. Review your order and complete the payment using your preferred payment method. Your friend will receive an email notification with a link to redeem the gift. Once they accept it, the game will be added to their Steam library. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.